AI phone callers are becoming increasingly popular, offering realistic automated phone calls for any businesses. Choosing the right platform can be challenging due to the variety available. They're used for outbound and inbound calling. For example, inbound systems can handle tasks like booking dentist appointment or taking food orders. Outbound system can act as a sales agent, like calling leads to generate appointment or follow up with the previous clients. Hi, my name is Saeed, the founder of Uniqly AI. We help businesses with AI automation and AI custom solution. Our current focus is on developing AI solutions that optimize workflow, eliminate repetitive tasks, lower the costs, and increase profit. If you are looking to implement fully customized AI solution for your business, feel free to schedule a call using the link in the description below, and we can discuss how AI can be seamlessly integrated into your business. They can handle a high volume of calls, provide 24/7 support, and deliver a personalized experience for each customer. I will compare the top AI phone caller platforms to help you choose the best one for your needs. So the first one on the list is Vapi AI. Vapi is a powerful AI voice solution that enables realistic, low latency conversation at scale. It offers features like interruption detection, multilingual support, and robust integration option with built-in providers and custom API integration. So pros: scalable to over 1 million concurrent calls, supports functions like booking appointments. It's flexible usage-based pricing model, and some of the cons are pricing can be unpredictable for high volume usage, may require more technical expertise to set it up. The pricing is $10 in free credit at the beginning, and then from there it's 5 cents per minute after the free credits are used up. So next up is Play AI. It is an AI phone caller platform that focuses on ease of use and customization. It provides a user-friendly, no-code interface for creating AI voice agents that match a brand's personality. So some of the pros: accessible for non-technical users, customizable AI voice agents, maintains conversation contents with stage recognition, and you can clone your voice directly on their website. Some of the cons: lack of information. There is no direct pricing page that you can click on. Specific features and capabilities unclear. But anyway, if you search for Play AI /pricing, you can find the pricing after that. So there is a freemium, and at the moment, if you start the plan, you can start just by $1 per month for the first month, and then from there it's I think $20 per month after that. And just before we move on, if you learned anything new or got any value out of this video so far, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, because this helps me to create even more content like this for you guys. Next up, it's Synthflow AI. It prioritizes accessibility and customization. It also offers a no-code platform for creating AI voice agents with sophisticated text-to-speech functionalities. So pros: user-friendly, no-code platform. Customizable AI voice agents, sophisticated text-to-speech capabilities. Cons: pricing might be less flexible than usage-based models. And the pricing is monthly plans starting from $29 per month. Next up is RetellAI.com. It's another AI phone caller platform, and it has stable voice services, effortlessly scale call volume. It includes preset templates and function calls, HIPAA compliance. HIPAA is for healthcare organization to protect the privacy. It provides also pre-built templates. It has a multi-prompt agent or single prompt agent. And also you can bring and use your LLM. So it's also providing a detailed pricing, conversation voice agent API. So with OpenAI or DeepGram voices, it's 8 cents per minute. With 11 Labs voices, it's 10 cents per minute. And LLM agent is for a Retell LLM for using GPT 3.5. It's 2 cents per minute, and for GPT-4 Omni, it's 10 cents per minute. So the last one is Blend.ai, which is another AI phone caller platform that requires a little bit of coding knowledge, but don't worry. If you aren't a developer or you don't have any coding knowledge, you can integrate it with using Zapier or Make.com. So no need to have any knowledge of coding at all. Blend costs at 9 cents per minute only for connected calls built to the exact seconds. So Vapi AI and Synthflow stands out with their distinct approaches. Vapi focuses on scalability, integration, and usage-based pricing, while Synthflow prioritizes accessibility and customization with its no-code platform and fixed pricing plans. Play.ai also emphasizes ease of use and customization. Retell AI and Blend AI are also great, but ultimately the best AI voice phone caller will depend on your unique requirements and goals. So I suggest to test out a few options for yourself and see which one delivers the most value for your needs. If you are someone who wants to learn how to create AI custom solutions and AI automation for your business, or maybe create it for yourself and sell it, I highly recommend watching this video next, where I break down even more in depth how to create an AI email automation system using ChatGPT. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.